In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capital.com guaranteed stop loss. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a guaranteed stop loss, why it matters, and what to look for before you hit place order. First, open a trade just as you normally would. Pick your market, decide whether you want to buy or sell based on your analysis, and bring up the order ticket. Think of this as your control panel for risk and position size. Before you confirm anything, you'll set your protection. On the order ticket, look for the stop loss section. This is where you usually add a standard stop, but today you'll switch it to the guaranteed stop loss option. A normal stop aims to close your trade around the chosen price, but in fast markets or during gaps, it can slip. A guaranteed stop loss removes that uncertainty by ensuring the position closes exactly at your specified level, even if the market jumps past it. That certainty is what you're paying for. Once you've selected guaranteed stop loss, enter the precise price where you want the trade to close if it moves against you. For a buy position, that level should be below your entry. For a sell position, it should be above. Choose a level that reflects your analysis and risk tolerance, not just a random round number. Consider support and resistance, recent volatility, and how much you're willing to lose if the market proves you wrong. Some instruments may require a minimum distance from the current price, so if the platform nudges you to adjust, that's why. As soon as you set the level, you'll see a GSLO fee or premium displayed on the ticket. This fee varies by market conditions and the distance of your stop, and it's only charged if your guaranteed stop loss actually triggers. If the trade hits your target or you close it manually without touching the GSLO level, you won't pay that premium. With everything set, the direction, position size, GSLO enabled, and your exact stop price confirmed, go ahead and place the trade. You'll see a clear indicator on your open position that a guaranteed stop loss is active, giving you peace of mind while you manage the rest of your strategy. Remember, a GSLO is about removing execution uncertainty, not about making a bad level safe. Place it thoughtfully, let it do its job, and trade with clarity,